Hi, good morning to all. So here today objective problems. Okay, today objective problems. So in this first chapter, inverse trigonometric functions. Okay, first chapter, inverse trigonometric functions. Okay, right here. In this first question, here first question. So in this first question, see sin inverse of sine of 2 pi by 3. Sin inverse of sine of 2 pi by 3. Okay. So sin inverse of sin theta. See here in this formula, sin inverse of sin theta is equal to, see a formula here, sin inverse of sin theta. Here sin inverse of sin theta. Here sin inverse of, here sin theta. Sin inverse of sin theta is equal to, here theta. Okay, right? Here in this condition here, theta. Here minus pi by 2 is less than or equal to, here theta is less than or equal to, here pi by 2. Okay, theta lies in minus pi by 2 comma pi by 2 closed interval. Okay, so here in this solution answer here. So in this solution here, in this solution, okay, in the solutions here sin inverse of, here sin inverse of, here sin of, here 2 pi by 3. Okay, 2 pi by 3, 2 pi by 3 is equal to, see here 2 pi by 3. 2 pi by 3 means 120 degrees. So here 2 pi by 3 does not belongs to in that interval. Okay, right here. First, see here 2 pi by 3. So that is equal to, here sin inverse of, so sin of 2 pi by 3 is equal to, here sin of, here pi minus pi by 3. Okay, pi minus pi by 3. Pi minus pi by 3. Okay, sin of pi minus pi by 3. So here that is equal to, see here sin inverse of, so here in this value sin of 180 minus theta. Sin of 180 minus theta is sin theta. So that is equal to, here sin of pi by 3. Okay, sin of pi by 3. So here in this formula sin inverse of sin theta. Okay, here theta belongs to in that interval here. Okay, theta belongs to in that interval. So here apply this formula here. Sin inverse of sin theta is equal to theta. So that is equal to, here pi by 3 answer. Okay, pi by 3 is the answer. Okay, see here. Answer D, pi by 3. Okay, answer is D. Okay, answer is D. Okay, right? This question. Okay, write this question. Okay, right. See here next problem, second problem. See here in the second question. See here first question number 2. Next sin inverse of 1 minus x minus 2 sin inverse x is equal to pi by 2. Okay. So then x is equal to x value. See here in this options here 0, 1 by 2, 1, 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 0 given. Okay, right? So here in this problem by verification. See here in this question here. So in this solution here. See here in this solution. In this solution in this given data here sin inverse of, here 1 minus x minus 2 into, here sin inverse of x. Okay, sin inverse of x is equal to, here pi by 2 is given. Okay, this is the given data. So in this question here by verification options. Okay, see here in this by verification here. So here by verification, here by verification, right, see here first option 0 comma 1 by 2. Okay, 0 comma 1 by 2. So here put x is equal to 0 here, first option here. Here put x is equal to 0. Replace here. So here that is in this LHS value. See here in this LHS value. So here in this LHS value. So here sin inverse of, replace x by 0, 0, 1 minus 2 into, here sin inverse of 0. Sin inverse of 0 value 0. So that is equal here in this total value sin inverse of 1. Sin inverse of 1 is equal to, here pi by 2. That is equal to RHS value. Okay. Here 0 satisfied here. X is equal to 0 satisfied. So here x value 0. Here replace 1 by 2 here, 1 minus 1 by 2, 1 by 2. Sin inverse of 1 by 2 value, sin of pi by 6. Okay, pi by 6 here. This is also minus 2 pi by 6, not coming here. Okay, RHS value. So here in this put x is equal to 0, here LHS is equal to RHS. These two are equal here. Okay, right? So here in this problem, so here option D. Okay, option D is right option. Okay, option D, 0. Okay, x value 0. Okay. So in this question option D right option. Okay, option D. Okay, option D. Okay, write this question. Okay, right, next problem. See here in this next question here. Here in this next question, see here tan inverse of root 3 minus secant inverse of minus 2. Okay, this value. Alright, see here in this question. Right, so here first here in the solution here, in the solution, okay, in the solution, right, so here tan inverse of root 3, so that is tan inverse of here root of 3, tan inverse of root 3 minus secant inverse of minus 2, okay, secant inverse of minus 2 is equal to, see here tan inverse of root 3, so that is tan inverse of here root of 3 here minus of, see here secant inverse of minus x, secant inverse of minus x, formula pi minus secant inverse x, okay, secant inverse x, here x value is 2, okay, x value is 2, so here that is equal to, see here tan inverse of here tan inverse of root 3 minus multiplier minus pi, here minus into minus plus here secant inverse of 2, okay, secant inverse of 2. So here tan inverse of root 3, okay, in terms of root 3 tan inverse is tan of 60 value, so tan 60 is equal to here pi by 3, okay, tan inverse of root 3 value pi by 3, next minus pi, next money plus, so here secant inverse of 2, secant inverse of 2 is secant of 60 degrees, secant 60 2 value, secant 60 value 2, so here this is 60 is equal to pi by 3, okay, so that is equal to, here take LCM, in this LCM is 3, okay, LCM is 3, so that is pi minus 3 pi, next one value pi, so here that is equal to, here this total value here minus pi by 3, minus pi by 3 is the answer, okay, minus pi by 3 answer, okay. So here in this option is, so here minus pi by 3 B, second option right option, okay, second option is right option, okay. Write this question. Alright, next problem, see here in this next question here. Next question, see here sine of secant inverse x plus cosecant inverse x is equal to sine of secant inverse x plus cosecant inverse x. So here in this solution here, in this solution, see here sine of secant inverse x, okay, secant inverse x here plus cosecant inverse x, okay, cosecant inverse x is equal to, so here in this value, so in this formula, so here in this formula, so here in this formula secant inverse x, okay, secant inverse x plus cosecant inverse x is equal to, here in this value is pi by 2, okay, in this value is pi by 2, see here in this value, so that is equal to here sine of pi by 2, sine of pi by 2. So here sine of 90 value, sine of 90 is equal to 1, okay, right, see here option here, 1 value A, option A right option, okay, answer A, okay, 1, okay, write this question. Alright, next problem, see here in this next question, see here in this next question here, in this question theory also important, this question 3 marks question, okay, theory also important. See here in this problem, 2 tan inverse 1 by 3 plus tan inverse of 1 by 7 is equal to, see here in this solution here, in this solution here, see here in this given data 2 into here tan inverse of 1 by 3, tan inverse of 1 by 3 plus here tan inverse of 1 by 7, okay, tan inverse of 1 by 7 is equal to, see here apply formula 2 tan inverse x, okay, 2 tan inverse x, so here 2 tan inverse x is equal to here tan inverse of 2x by 2x means 2 into 1 by 3 by 1 minus x square value 1 by 3 square value 9 plus here tan inverse of 1 by here 7, okay, so that is equal to here in this total value here tan inverse of, take LCM here, 9 minus 1 8, okay, 3 get cancelled, 3 into 2 6, here 6 by 9 minus 1 that is equal 8 plus here tan inverse of here 1 by 7. So that is equal to here tan inverse of, see here 2 3 times 4 times, so tan inverse of 3 by here 4 plus next one value here tan inverse of 1 by 7, okay. See here in this formula tan inverse x plus tan inverse of y formula, so in this formula here tan inverse of x plus y by 1 minus x by 3 by 4 plus here 1 by 7 by 1 minus here 3 by 4 into 1 by 7, okay, right? See here that is equal to here tan inverse of here tan, take LCM 28, okay, 7 into 3 21 plus next one 1 into 4 is 4 by here see here 28 minus 3, okay, that is 28 minus here 3, okay, so that is equal to in this total value here tan inverse of, see here 25 by 25, that is 1, tan inverse of 1, tan inverse of 1 is equal to here pi by 4 answer. Okay, pi by 4 this answer is. Okay, check answer here, see the option D, pi by 4. Okay, answer is D, pi by 4 is the answer. Okay, write this question. Okay, right, next see here in this next problem, see here the principal value of sin inverse of root 3 by 2. Okay, sin inverse of root 3 by 2 principal value. Right, see here in this value, so in the solution here, in this solution, right, see here sin inverse of here root of 3 by 2, sin inverse of root of 3 by 2 is equal to, see here sin inverse of here root 3 by 2, root 3 by 2 is equal to sin of 60. Okay, sin of 60, so that is equal to sin of pi by 3. Okay, sin of pi by 3. So you see formula sin inverse of sin theta, sin inverse of sin theta is equal to theta, here theta value is pi by 3. Okay, sin inverse of sin theta is theta, so theta belongs to closed interval minus pi by 2 comma pi by 2. Okay, so your option is pi by 3 answer. Okay, check option here, so your option pi by 3, third, fourth option. Okay, D. Okay, fourth option, right option. Okay, write this question. Great, next problem, see here in this next question here. Okay, next problem, see here, so here question number 7, the value of the expression, the value of the expression, this value expression. Okay, right, see here, first here, so in this solution here, in this problem, so in this solution here, okay, right, here put a is equal to, here a is equal to this value, so here cos inverse of here 2 by here root of 5. Okay, here in this model problem, okay, put a is equal to cos inverse of 2 by root 5. So take in this idea, that implies cos a is equal to, so here cos a value, cos of a is equal to here 2 by here root of 5. Okay, root of 5. Right, take this one here, so here tan inverse of this total value, here 1 by 2 into here cos inverse of 2 by here root of 5. Okay, is equal to, right here, so that is tan inverse of, okay, tan inverse of see here in this total value, so tan inverse of this value is a. Okay, that is a by 2, so tan inverse of a by 2, tan inverse of a by 2, not tan inverse here, only tan here, not inverse here. Okay, not here tan inverse. Okay, only tan off here, only tan off. Okay, not take, don't take tan inverse. Okay, this problem mistake here. Okay, only tan of a by 2, tan of a by 2 formula, see here square root of 1 minus cos a by here next many value 1 plus here cos of e. See here tan of a by 2 formula, this is the formula, tan a by 2, 1 minus cos a by 1 plus cos a. So replace cos a value 2 by root 5, so that is equal to here square root of, see here 1 minus 2 by root 5. Okay, by next many value 1 plus 2 by here root of 5. Okay, root of 5, so that is equal to, here take LCM here, so root 5 here minus 2 by next one value here root of 5 here plus next one value 2. Okay, so rationalizing here, here root of 5 minus 2 by next one value here root of 5 minus 2, rationalizing. Okay, so in this final value, so that is equal here root of 5 minus 2 whole square, square root get cancelled here, a plus b into a minus b, a square minus b square, a square value 5, b square value 4, 5 minus 4 is 1, so this is the final answer. Okay, root 5 minus 2, root 5 minus 2, check answer here, root 5 here minus 2. Okay, right, root 5 minus 2, option B. Okay, option B is right option. So here this is D given, here not given. Okay, here in this value root of 5, okay, minus 2, this is the final answer. Okay, this is the final answer. Okay, this is the final answer. Okay, so here see here in this problem, tan of 1 by 2 cos inverse of 2 by root 5, tan of, okay, not tan inverse. Okay, tan of, so here put a is equal to cos inverse of 2 by root 5, a value. Okay, right, see here next cos a is equal to 2 by root 5, cos a value. So here tan of 1 by 2 cos inverse of 2 by root 5 is equal to here tan of this value a, so that is a by 2, tan a by 2 formula. So here tan of a by 2 is equal to formula. Here tan of a by 2. Here tan of a by 2 is equal to square root of. Here 1 minus cos of a. 1 minus cos of a by 1 plus here cos of a formula. This is the formula tan a by 2. Okay. 1 minus cos a 2 sin square a by 2. 1 plus cos a 2 cos square a by 2. Okay. Tan of a by 2 coming here. Okay. Replace here. See here, replace here, cos a is equal to 2 by root 5, cos a value, 1 minus 2 by root 5 by 1 plus 2 by root 5. See here, take LCM root 5 minus 2 by root 5 plus 2. Okay, so here rationalizing, numerator. So root 5 minus 1 by root 5 minus 1, multiply and divide here. Okay, so here root 5 minus 2 whole square, square root to square get cancel, root 5 minus 2 by denominator a plus b into a minus b, a square minus b square, a square value 5. Minus b square value 4. 5 minus 4 is 1. Okay, here this is 1. So final answer root 5 minus 2. Okay, root 5 minus 2. See here, option B right option. Okay, option B. Okay, right? This is wrong option. Okay, right? Option B right option. Okay, write this question. Right. See here in this next problem. See here in this next question here. Here is simplified from. Okay. Cos inverse of 4x cube minus 3x. Okay, already in theory problem, 3 marks question. Okay, simple, direct right answer. Okay, in the CET. Right, see here in the solution here. In this solution, so here cos inverse of 4x cube minus 3x. Okay, so here put x is equal to. Here put x is equal to here cos theta. Okay, so that implies here theta is equal to here cos inverse of x. Cos inverse of x. Take this one here. So here now here cos inverse of here 4x cube minus 3x. Okay, 4x cube minus 3x is equal to, see here that is cos inverse of, so in this total value 4 into cos cube theta, 4 into cos cube theta minus 3 into cos theta. Okay, 3 into here cos of theta. Okay, 3 into cos of theta. So that is equal to here cos inverse of this total value cos of 3 theta formula, cos 3. Okay, cos of 3 theta. So cos inverse of cos theta is theta. So that is equal to 3 theta. Replace theta value. Here theta value by cos inverse x. Okay, 3 cos inverse x answer. Okay, check answer here. 3 cos inverse x here. See option B right option. Okay, 3 cos inverse x. 3 cos inverse x. Okay, write this question. Okay, see here in this next problem. See here in this next question. So in this next problem, see the value of tan inverse 4 by 5 plus tan inverse of 2 by 3. Okay, this value. So take this one here. See in the solution here. Here tan of. Okay, tan of. Here tan inverse x plus tan inverse y formula. So here in this formula, tan inverse of x plus y by x plus y means 4 by 5. Here plus here 2 by 3 whole by 1 minus 4 by 5 into here 2 by 3. Okay, 2 by 3. Okay, tan, see here tan of tan inverse x is x. So in this x value, this one. So take LCM here. In this LCM is 15. Okay, 15. 4 into 3. 4 into 3 is 12 plus 5 into 2, 10. Okay, whole by take LCM here 15. 15 get cancelled. Next remaining value 15 minus 4 into 2 is 8. Okay. So here that is equal to here in this total value here 22 by here in this value is 7. Okay, 22 by 7. Okay, 22 by 7 answer. Check answer here. 22 by 7. So not given here. Okay, none of these. Okay, here fourth option. D option right option. Okay, D option. Okay, this is objective problems. Okay, direct right maximum direct steps. Okay. Right, here in this objective problems, one question only 1 minute. Okay, only 1 minute. Okay, right? So direct apply formulas here. Tan inverse x plus tan inverse y. Tan inverse of x plus y by 1 minus xy. Okay. Next here take LCM. LCM is 15 here. Okay, 3 into 4, 12, 5 into 2, 10. By here take LCM here 15. 15 minus 4 into 2, 8. Okay. So 12 plus 10, 22. 15 minus 8, 7. 22 by 7. Check answer here. Okay, none of these. Okay, fourth option. Okay, right. Practice one time. Right. Next, say next problem. Next question. Say tan inverse of x by y minus tan inverse of x minus y by x plus y. Okay, x plus y, right, is equals to, so here in this solution here, so in this solution here, tan inverse of, here tan inverse of x by y. Okay, tan inverse of x by y, here minus, here tan inverse of, here in this problem, so here x by y given, here x minus y by x plus y, x by y, so here divided by y, numerator and denominator, divided by y, numerator and denominator, divided by y here, so that is equal to divided by y. Okay, here divided by y, so that is here x by y. Okay, x by y minus y by y is 1. Okay, y by y is 1 by next remaining value, here x by y. Okay, x by y, next remaining value plus y by y, that is 1. Okay, right, 1. So here in this value, so that is equal to, here tan inverse of, okay, tan inverse of x by y, here minus of, see here in this formula, tan inverse of x minus y by 1 plus x by formula. See here in this formula, here tan inverse of, here tan inverse of, okay, tan inverse of x minus, here tan inverse of y is equal to, here in this formula, here tan inverse of x minus y by next many value 1 plus x into y. Okay, apply this formula here. So here tan inverse of x minus y. Okay, x minus y by 1 plus xy. Okay, x minus y by 1 plus xy. Okay, here in this formula tan inverse x minus tan inverse y, so that is equal to, here tan inverse of x by y. Okay, tan inverse of x by y minus here tan inverse of 1. See here in this formula, tan inverse of x minus y by 1 plus xy. Tan inverse of x minus y by 1 plus xy. Okay, tan inverse x minus tan inverse of y. Next multiply minus here, so that is equal to, here tan inverse of x by y. Here multiply minus here, minus here tan inverse of x by here y. Next minus in minus plus here tan inverse of 1. See here tan inverse of x by y, x by y get cancelled. Next tan inverse of 1, tan inverse of 1 is equal to tan inverse of 1 value pi by 4, tan inverse of 1 value. Okay, check answer here. See here pi by 4, B option. Okay, B option is right option, pi by 4. Okay, this is the formula here. Okay, this question already given in exam, objective problems, repeated question this question. Okay, right? Practice one time. Okay, next problem. See here in this next problem, here the value of x for which sine of cot inverse of 1 minus x is equal to cos of tan inverse x. Okay, cos of tan inverse x. Okay, right? See here in this value, see here in this solution here, in this solution in this given data, here sine of, okay, sine of cot inverse of, okay, cot inverse of 1 minus x is equal to, here see here cos of, okay, tan inverse x, okay, cos of tan inverse x in terms of cos here, okay, tan inverse x. Here take triangle here, in this triangle here, so tan inverse x is equal opposite side by adjacent side. Okay, so in this hypotenuse value, square root of 1 square is 1 plus here x square. Okay, in terms of cos, here cos given in terms of cos, so that is here cos inverse of, here cos inverse of, cos is equal to adjacent side by hypotenuse, so that is 1 by here square root of 1 plus here x square. Okay, 1 by 1 plus x square. Okay, right? See here next remaining value, here sine of, here cot inverse of, here 1 minus x is equal to, here cos of cos inverse x is x, so that this value is square root of 1 plus x square. Next here sine taking this idea, so that is cot inverse of 1 minus x is equal to, here taking this idea, that is here sine inverse of 1 by here square root of 1 plus x square. Okay, see this is cot inverse, this is sine inverse, converting into cot. So take triangle here one more time. See here sine theta, opposite side by adjacent side, opposite side is 1, this value is square root of 1 plus x square. Okay, this side length is 1 plus x square minus 1 get cancelled, root of x square value is x, right here. So here cot inverse of 1 minus x is equal to, see here in this value cot inverse, here in terms of cot inverse of cot theta value adjacent side by opposite side, so that is equal to here x by 1. Okay, remove cot inverse on both sides, so that is 1 minus x is equal to x, so x taking this side here, 1 is equal to here 2x, so that implies x value, so x value is 1 by 2, x by 2. Okay, x value 1 by 2 answer. Okay, check answer here. See here, D option. Okay, 1/2. So D option is right option. Okay, right? Practice this question. Right. See here in this next problem, next question. See here in this next question, principal value of cos inverse of -1/√2. Principal value. All right. See here in the solution here. In the solution here, cos inverse of -1/√2. See here, cos inverse of -x formula. See here, cos inverse of -x formula. Pi minus here cos inverse of x. X value is 1/√2. So that is equal here pi minus cos inverse of 1/2, cos of pi/4 value. So cos of pi/4. Okay, that is pi/4. 1/√2 value cos pi/4. Okay, cos inverse of cos pi/4 is pi/4. Next, take LCM here, 4 pi minus pi. 4 pi minus pi is equal to here 3 pi/4. 4 pi minus pi, that is 3 pi/4 answer. Okay, check answer here. Say first option A. Okay, first option right option. 3 pi/4. Okay, first option right option. Okay, write this question, practice one time. Right, next problem. See here, next problem. See here, tan inverse of √3 minus secant inverse of -2. Okay, already this problem already finished, this one. Okay, one more time repeated this question. Okay, right, one more time this question. See here in the solution here. See here, tan inverse of √3. Okay, tan inverse of √3. Tan inverse of √3 minus here secant inverse of -2. This was a repeated question in exam. Okay, repeated question in objective problems. Right, see here in this value. So that is equal to here tan inverse of √3. Okay, tan inverse of √3. Okay, minus of see here secant inverse of -x. Secant inverse of -x formula pi minus secant inverse of x. Here x value is 2. Okay, right? See here, that is equal to here tan inverse of √3. Tan inverse of √3 minus multiply minus here minus pi, minus in minus plus secant inverse of 2. So that is equal to here tan inverse of √3. √3 means tan of pi/3, tan 60 value. So that is tan 60 value is pi/3 minus pi. Next here secant inverse of 2. Secant inverse of 2 value secant 60 2. Secant 60 means pi/3. So that is equal to here take LCM. LCM is 3. So that is pi minus 3 pi. Next one value plus pi. So that is total value minus pi/3. Minus pi/3 answer. Okay. This question repeated in objective problems. Okay. Our textbook exercise last question. Objective question. Theory textbook second exercise last question. This question. Alright. See here minus pi/3 answer. Minus pi/3 means B. Okay. Right. Write one more time. Right, see here in this next problem, in this next question, see here y is equal to, here y is equal to secant inverse x. Y is equal to secant inverse x. Okay, y value secant inverse x. Okay, y is equal to secant inverse of x. Then here y lies in the interval, in that interval. Okay, right? Y lies in that interval. So this is the formula. Okay, see here in this formula. See here in this formula here. Here see here y is equal to secant inverse of x. Okay, y is equal to here secant inverse of x here. Okay, y is equal to secant inverse x. See here secant inverse x lies between here closed interval 0 comma pi. Closed interval 0 comma pi. Here minus. Okay, minus. Here minus here minus pi/2. Okay, this one overall. See here in this value lies between, y lies between. See here y lies between, here y belongs to, okay, y belongs to this one here closed interval 0 comma pi. Okay, minus this is pi/2. Okay, this is the formula. Okay, this is the principal value. Okay, principal value or range. Okay, see here. So here y lies between. Okay, y lies between. Check your answer here. Here see first option 0 less than or equal y less than or equal pi. Okay. Okay, here minus pi/2. Minus pi/2 not given here. Okay, that is wrong. Okay, here minus pi/2 given, right option, first option. Okay. Next second option here 0 to pi bit wrong. This is also wrong. None of these. Here fourth option right option. Okay, fourth option right option. Fourth option right option. Okay. So here in this y value, see here y belongs to here this answer, this solution. Okay, this solution is here y belongs to closed interval 0 comma pi, closed interval 0 comma pi minus of pi by 2. Okay, minus pi by 2. This is the answer. Overall, writing this another way. So 0 is less than or equal to y is less than or equal to pi minus of, okay, minus of pi by 2. Here minus of pi by 2. Here check first option. 0 less than or equal to y less than or equal to pi. Next not minus pi bit not given. Okay, first option also wrong. Okay, only fourth option. None of these answer. Okay, fourth option right option. Okay, write this question. Right, see here in this next question. See here x plus 1 by x. X plus 1 by x is equal to 2. X plus 1 by x is equal to 2. Then the principal value of sin inverse x. Sin inverse x principal value. Okay, see here first we calculate x value here. See here in this given data here. In this given data, see here in the solution here. So in this given data, here in this given data, x plus 1 by x given. X plus 1 by x is equal to 2 given. Okay, take LCM here. In this LCM is x. So x into x, x square plus 1 is equal to here 2. So here x square plus 1 is equal to 2 into x is 2x. Okay, so take in this side here. Here x square minus 2x plus 1 is equal to 0. So a square minus 2ab plus b square. So in this value, x minus 1 whole square is 0. So here x minus 1 is equal to 0. So that implies x value is 1. Okay, x value is 1. See here principal value of sin inverse x. See here, so here now, here sin inverse of x is equal to, okay, sin inverse of x is equal to, so here sin inverse of x value 1, replace here 1, sin inverse of 1, sin inverse of 1 is equal to, sin inverse of 1 value pi by 2, sin inverse of 1 value pi by 2. Okay, so option is pi by 2, pi by 2 is B. See here pi by 2, B option. Okay, answer is your answer B. Okay, B option right option. Okay, so your x value 1 here, replace here 1, sin inverse of 1 value pi by 2. Okay, write this question. Okay, today class finish. Okay, next continuation tomorrow class. Today you also one more time practice these questions. Okay, okay, one more time practice. Seniors, one more time practice previous questions. Already the chapter finished. Okay, that questions also one more time practice. Okay, seniors. Juniors, today one more time these all problems one more time practice. Okay, today class finish. Next continuation tomorrow class. Okay, first read and write formulas, inverse trigonometric functions formulas. Problems easy. Okay. In CET KCET exam, 3 questions coming in the chapter, 3 questions coming, objective problems. Okay, right.